Okay, I'm going to show you the S Pen. You can see there's a little button. You've got to press that button, you've got to tap the screen while it's off, and there you go. You get the Samsung Note coming up. This lets you draw right on the screen while it's off. Now, you've got different options there, as you can see, different line, like thicknesses. Got, I'll show you this one. What does that look like? That's not bad. Next one up. Okay. And the next one. No, it's not bad at all. You can actually draw with this, not just writing. Okay, now the largest one looks like this. So you've got quite a lot of different things you can do. Now you can, I don't really like that hard. I'm going to get rid of it by going onto the eraser. I can erase all if I want, but I'm not going to do that. I just want to erase this. So I can just choose what I want to erase. There you go. You can delete and you can save. You've got an up arrow and a down arrow. There. Press the down arrow, up it goes. I press the up arrow, it comes down. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on how to use the S Pen Note while your Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is turned off. So thank you for watching.